Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to cook a broccoli cheese that you just bought from the supermarket that's chilled in the air fryer. So the idea here is that when we were making this air fryer time and temps guide for you all, one thing that we heavily tested was ready meals, because we always get asked, can you cook ready meals in the air fryer? What we've found is it's so much easier to do it when they're chilled rather than when they're frozen, because when they're frozen you have to defrost it through first. So what I've got here is I've got a broccoli cheese from M&S that's perfect as part of your Christmas that you can just throw in the air fryer. According to this, 15 to 18 minutes at 180. So I'm going to go with 17 minutes and see how the broccoli cheese is doing. And of course, if you've not grabbed yourself a copy yet of the complete air fryer cooking guide, then it's absolutely perfect for Christmas. It's got so many of your Christmas foods in there, as well as everyday foods that you would normally cook in the air fryer. So for Christmas, you could use it for all your time and temps for a full English breakfast, pretty much everything that you would cook in the air fryer for your Christmas dinner, and so many other foods as well. And it covers reheating, which is technically what we're doing here. So shall we get it going in the air fryer? So time and temp guide to one side, and then of course the cling film wrap that comes with it cannot go in the air fryer, so you want to get rid of that first. So this is the broccoli cheese. I've removed all the cling film wrap from it, because if you don't, then this stuff can fly about in the air fryer. And then it's ready to go in. As you know, foil trays are perfect for the air fryer, but you can't use plastic ones, so bear that in mind when cooking in the air fryer. And then pop it in, turn it on, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of 17 minutes. Now that the air fryer is on, let me talk to you about the Christmas air fryer plan. It's a free ebook that we've created for you, and it shares with you 25 popular Christmas recipes for the air fryer, as well as grocery lists, how to have a stress-free Christmas, and 25 of the best ever air fryer Christmas recipes. If you head over to RecipeThis.com and search Christmas, you can get the full details. And now, let's get back to that air fryer. And we've beeped. So, shall we check on our broccoli cheese? Shall we check on it then? Oh, wow. Look at that. Broccoli cheese in the air fryer. Can you believe it? You know, of all the things that you can do in the air fryer. And like I said, they're brilliant in these foil trays. Just look at that. Perfect and ready for the dinner table. So remember, this is using our time and temp chart. So if you've not got a copy yet of our air fryer cooking times chart, simply search air fryer Sam and Dawn to be able to get yourself a copy. And I'm just going to wait for this broccoli cheese to cool down, and then I can tuck in. So the broccoli cheese has had a chance to cool down. Oh, wow, look at it. Oh, I just love the lovely sauce in the middle. Oh, that's still quite hot actually, even though I've left it a little bit. Oh, and look at that, doesn't that look fantastic? I just love the sauce you get with the broccoli cheese. Isn't that the best bit? Oh, that's so good. That is broccoli cheese in the air fryer. Just remember, 30 minutes in the oven versus 17 minutes in the air fryer. That's nearly half of the cook time. And of course, you're still saving on your washing up like you would if you were cooking it in the oven. And don't forget to grab yourself a copy of the complete air fryer cooking guide. It has 275 plus of the top air fryer times and temps, including ready meals, but it's got so many greats in there that you just don't want to miss. And if I don't get a chance again, happy Christmas from Sam and Dawn. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.